Around the world, there are thousands of languages, many of which have unique scripts. Many of these can be used on a computer. But for smaller languages, their scripts don't work so well. Meet Sanjay. Sanjay is a field worker who works with one of these languages. He is translating the Bible. And he also wants to help his community use their language on the computer. But they can't. Fortunately, there are people in SIL's Writing Systems Technology department who can help. Meet Jim. Jim is an SIL member who works with Writing Systems Technology. Sanjay asks Jim to help make his language work on the computer, and Jim is happy to help. For Jim to help Sanjay, he needs to understand how Sanjay's language is written. Sanjay has written a description of his language which helps a lot. Jim then writes a proposal to add the characters Sanjay needs into Unicode. Unicode is an internationally agreed standard on how computers store different characters. Jim takes the proposal that he and Sanjay have worked out to the International Committee. And after some time, Jim is finished and Sanjay's script is added to the Unicode standard. Sanjay and Jim don't have to wait for the standard to be finished. They can start with it right now. But how? Meet Maria. Maria is a type designer who works with the Writing Systems Technology department. Sanjay is going to need a font, so Maria is going to draw one for him. Some scripts are complicated with characters needing to combine in different ways. This means that fonts have to become smart enough to know how to position the characters together. Jim and Maria work together to add smarts to the font she has drawn. The result, Sanjay can now see his language on the screen. But Sanjay still can't type. How is he going to enter his text on the computer? He is going to need a keyboard layout. Sanjay has discussed his layout with the speakers of his language, and with Jim's technical help, they are able to create a brand new keyboard layout, purpose-built for his language. Sorting words in languages in this part of the world, as you would need to make a dictionary, is difficult. Very often, there is no agreement on the right way to sort, and Sanjay's language is no exception. But eventually, the community agrees. Jim comes up with a description of the sort order that works. With all these pieces in place, Sanjay is in a good position to work with his languages on the computer or mobile devices, just like any other language. He can produce dictionaries, create websites, write books, and translate the Bible, giving life to this language and preserving the culture of its speakers, and allowing them to understand the good news.